The objective of this lesson is to use Polya's problem-solving steps to discuss, write out plans for solving, and solve one or two-step math problems. It is important that students learn effective processes and strategies for organizing and solving mathematical problems. George Polya was a famous mathematician who wrote How to Solve It. In this book, he shares 4 steps that mathematicians can use to solve mathematical problems. Understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the plan, and look back. To help organize their thoughts and information, students can use a graphic organizer similar to the one shown here. Let's use the graphic organizer to help solve a couple of problems. Problem 1. The 4th graders are going to a movie at the IMAX theater. There are 112 students and 4 teachers going. The PTA is paying $4 for popcorn and a drink for each student. How much money will the PTA be spending on refreshments? Step 1. Understand the problem. What is the problem asking? How much money will the PTA be spending on popcorn and drinks for the students? What information is provided to help us solve the problem? There are 112 students and 4 teachers attending. Popcorn and drinks cost $4. Since the PTA is only paying for the students, we do not need to add in the 4 teachers. This is extra information. Step 2. Devise a plan. Is this a single or multi-step problem? This is a single-step problem. What operation or operations must we use to solve this problem? We will need to determine the cost of the refreshments by multiplying. Step 3. Carry out the plan. We will create a bar model. We know the PTA is paying $4 for each student. So the first student will cost $4. The second student will also cost $4. The third student will cost $4. And so on until all 112 students are paid for. The equation will be 112 times 4 equals something. Now to solve this problem, 112 decomposes into 100 plus 10 plus 2. We're going to times that by 4. 4 times 100 equals 400. 4 times 10 equals 40, and 4 times 2 equals 8. We will sum up the partial products. 400 plus 40 plus 8 equals 448. Or the PTA will pay $448 for the students' treats at the movies. Step 4. Look back. Did we answer the question or questions? Yes. We figured out how much the PTA will be paying for the popcorn and drinks. Does the answer make sense? Let's use rounding to check our answer. 112 rounds to 100, so 4 times 100 equals 400. So paying $448 is a reasonable answer. In this lesson, our objective was to use Polya's problem-solving steps to discuss, write out plans for solving, and solve 1 or 2-step math problems. We met this objective by discussing what Polya's steps are and what they mean.